the unboxing of the Ghostek Covert 6. Take this out. The case here. Got the clear version. Looking quite nice, feels nice. HD back. Sturdy. Gonna peel off the MagSafe thing here. Do I peel it off? Nope. Designed in New York. Resivity. Looking good. Okay. Get your cards in here. Hashtag Ghostek. Follow the Instagram and TikTok. Instruction Covert 6. And for your purchase, then you get the Ghostek sticker. That's really all you get in the box. Simple. Alright, so here we have the 14 Pro Max. I was dumb and forgot that my former case is purple, and I realized that I was trying to put a case in the case. Here's the 14 Pro Max. We're going to put it in here, and you just simply go from the left and then just go around the edges, make sure it's secure and snug. And how it feels in the hands, well, it's grippy. It's not slippery by any means. I do like the click on the button, very nice clicks. You have precise cutouts here. So here you'll see the speaker cutout. We have the charging cutout here and the bottom speakers. Nice grip. We got MagSafe here. Got raised edges to protect the camera. Looking good. So if I dropped it like this, the lenses will be protected. See, no damages whatsoever. You can do it again. No damages to the camera lenses at all. You go to my camera, everything's still looking pretty sharp. Not bad. Now, compared to my case, this does feel significantly lighter. And maybe because it has this extra metal thing in the back, but this does feel a lot lighter. I do like the raised edges on here to protect the phone. Nice raised edges. So yeah, this feels really nice in the hands. Let me tell you guys, from Team Tech Reviews, here with another video. So you saw the unboxing of the Ghostek Covert 6. So I just want to go over the materials with you. This has an HD clear back, fully transparent, looks good. You can see the purple, looks a little space gray, but this is the purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's got a diamond grip, so you can see on the sides here, it's got the diamond formation grip. It's got detailed cutouts, which I showed you in the unboxing. You got the speaker thing there, the volume, not volume, but the speakers and it should be USB-C, but it's not. It's lightning port cutout there. And then you have the cutout for the mute button there, all precise, really easy to reach. So it's easy to do that. Maybe not the angle I'm doing it in, but you can see that I'm able to toggle it on and off. We have R2X impact technology, and you're gonna see later in the video the drop test and how well that these shock absorbing sides do. So this is where the technology is on the corners of it. Have non-slip grip. So gripping this, it is non-slip. I mean, it can slide through the hands, but I don't have a hard time gripping it. So the sides are easy to hold on to, and you don't have to worry about really dropping it. What's also great about this is that you have a lifetime warranty, which is pretty cool. So if you ever have any issues with the phone case, you have a lifetime warranty with it. No 90 days, 60 days, it's a lifetime, which is pretty cool. It's MagSafe compatible. See the MagSafe ring right there. And behind me, I have a MagSafe case. So I'll move out the way. You're gonna watch me put it on there. Nice strong connection. So you see the phone is connected to the MagSafe charger behind me. So that works pretty well. And next we have drop test, which you're gonna see. And you got the raised camera bump here. So you can see that it has the added protection if you drop it. And you'll see the drop test that obviously the lenses are fine. There's no damages, so that's good. So yeah, pretty good phone case. I like it so far. The only thing it's missing that I miss from my prior phone, my old phone case, the Case Q one that you saw from my other video, is this little ring right here. Now if Ghostek can make a phone case that has this, that'd be pretty cool. Like if the Covert had that, this would be the ultimate phone case due to its durability and construction of like the edges over here being ultra protective when you drop the phone. So yeah, pretty good phone case overall. So let's get to the drop test footage. All right, so we're gonna drop this from here. 3, 2, 1. That was pretty loud. Looking good. Now we're gonna drop it from the top of the refrigerator. And 2, 1. Ooh. I do have a screen protector on here. Looks good. Loki's impressed. Are you impressed? Are you impressed by the phone case? Down boy. That's got him so hype. The phone case has him so hype. Alright, so now you see from the drop test that I did, that's probably more than 8, it's not exactly 8 feet, but nonetheless, I did a good job protecting the case. Good job, Ghostek. After watching the drop test footage, let me know in the comments what you think of the phone case. What do you think about the colors? The clear color is pretty cool if you want to show off the purple. But when I looked on the website, the colors are really just the sides. So the back is always going to be that HD clear, and the sides is really where you're getting the different colors. So let me know in the comments what you think of this phone case. It's light, it's durable so far from that drop test, and I'm gonna use it for a week and maybe hold on to it even longer than a week, because I did enjoy my Case Q case, but I guess trying something new won't hurt. So here's the Ghostek Covert 6. Shout out to Ghostek for sending this over here so I can show it to you guys and tell you what it has to offer. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more videos from me. Thanks for watching. Peace.